Oh, shit, the fuck out of you. Yeah, I'm gonna that girl like I'm after this. I did it. After the fucker. Oh, you missed my dick. Short carousel. It'll work. I don't know if I'm definitely crying. Start to just wait. Just get ready. You can have joining fire. So it's a fire. You can set on the pistol. No, really, it's not even matter. So I don't know if you get. I can get one. It's very ass though, mate. Dude, it's fucking hot. I don't know, but who cares? It's fun. I don't know what time it was when you just got. I don't know. You fucking hear this shit. Well, stay tuned. You'll see the strip. Dude, it's so like, dude, you can put it down here. Oh, this, right now. Really sitting together. No. So, but I don't know now, dude. I got it smooth now. It does. And dude, I think that's why. Can y'all tell me something? Put your nose to the screen. Alright, this is kind of boring. Alright, this is a game already. Run around. If you get correct, my body's gone crazy. Dude, you right now. Shit. Dick. I think it's like a dick hurt. Alright, no fucking correct for anything. Again. No, I guess I'm here, dude. This is gonna be a big experiment. Guys, teenagers got pockets suck. Yeah, dude, it does suck, dude. Anything. Whoa, yeah, no, come on, guys. Bowls. I'm currently bored. The only way for me to upload the video is to take my phone. Hey, yeah, I'm your neighbor. I'm in 700G. You're watching this, which turn your Wi-Fi on. Get this is better. On. Go away. I know it's not a. Whoa! Turn around. The ball turned around. Fucking forever, dude. So YouTube can have 18 videos. Awesome. Let's go. See. Look at this. Oh shit, I'm not safe. You gotta do that ready. Oh shit, no. Look, you fucking nasty boat. Turn down. You can't say anything and don't use it. You're doing it on gay. I still feel. You guys aren't all that. The old familiar scene. Wait, but I remember. What the fuck am I doing, man? You're that damn man. You're a fucking old king in the bed. That was Japanese shit and walk crazy. Dude, it's like it now. Dude, it's fucking like it. Dude, what is on this thing? Stand around shit? Dude, I don't know, dude. It's been like 10 minutes. I'm ready to... Dude, yeah, dude, that's not cool. Hey. Dude, what the fuck? Pull this thing on shoulder. What? No. Which there will be. Yeah. Whoa, dude, that's fucking hot, dude. What is that, dude? Dude, look at that. Need this microwave? It's wet. I didn't pour water. Oh! It's more like that. Straight up awesome, dude. Dude, you're holding my phone. Right here, dude. Stop. Oh shit, no! Ah! It works. They got brown penis right now. It's really microwave. Look. I did record. Somebody's room. Dude, stop the water. Oh, dude! Oh! That's fucking more! Whoa, dude! Whoa! I did it more time. Dude, wait, look! Dude, I don't know if you see that, dude. Dude, it's fucking steam! Whoa! It's about to do something! It's about to explode! Dude, oh shit! Turn on the face! It's all exploding, dude! Holy shit! Oh, dude! Blake, keep that shit! Get on the ground, bro! Is it... Are you gonna die? I don't know! Oh, shit! Dude, it's smoking! It's smoking, dog! It's so funny, bro! Whoa, dude, it's fucking hollow! Look, dude! It's blowing smoke, bro! Look, it's blowing smoke out of it! Ah! Dude, it's fucking hollow! No way! Dude, it's fucking hollow! Here, I'll hold it, dude. Pick it up. Dude! Ah, shit! Don't let it! Get off the phone, dude! Put it back in there! No! Dude! It's so smoky in the house, dude! We're gonna die! Dude, we're gonna die! Oh, we're gonna die! Holy shit! shit, dude. Guys, y'all gotta check this shit out. Oh, go give me a plate or something. Out of there. Up there, there you go. Yeah. Don't break them. They're new. We're gonna dissect this bitch. Dude, alright, guys, I got a question. Alright, I'm good. Alright, let's get a big knife. Alright, Blake. Come on. Dude, hold this. Alright, guys. Hold on, bro. Alright. Oh, dude, it's like sounds so hard, dude. Dude, let me get a fork. Oh, look at that blade. Whoa, that's a big. This is for one of our people when I come to my house. I like to chop them up. Have for breakfast. Usually I microwave them first. Somebody send comments and ask if orange smoke is not healthy for us. Yeah, guys, if y'all do any research and find out that fucking oranges are bad to inhale, just let me fucking know, man. Yeah. Because, dude, it's fucking like... Yeah, dude. You cut yourself, dude. Oh, shit. That's awesome. Dude. Oh, poor thing. Alright, Blake. No, dude, let me cut it. Fuck that. Here. Oh. Here. Dude, be careful, man. That fucking orange has a vengeance. For real, dude, that's fucking crazy. Oh, it's fucking like... That's how you do it, biatches. Here, let's put it right here. Let's put it right here so we can... Look, I got extra light. Ha! Look at this. Wait, move this right here. Right. Oh, I'm fucking bleeding. Cut it completely in half, dude. Is that fucking hard to cut, man? Yeah. That's a fucking bandsaw. Wait, drop it on there. Drop it on there. Hey guys, let's put this in. Oh! Oh! I hope I don't have AIDS. Fuck, dude. Give me a fucking something to grab it with. Shit. Hey, after you're done with how I can use that to wipe my shit. Wait, whoa. Oh yeah, they can't see. You have like a magic trick. Be careful, man. Be careful, man. Oh! What the fuck, dog? Holy shit, man! Dude, I bet I can totally smoke that. We smoked that. Dude, you want to smoke that? We've already smoked that. We can smoke that, I think we're going to hallucinate. Whoa! We're hallucinating. Your blood. That's not blood. Yeah, dude. That is not blood. It doesn't look like blood. Oh, it's on your hand. You better hope.